British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has called on India and China to engage in dialogue to sort out their border issues, as he described the escalation in eastern Ladakh as a very serious and worrying situation which the UK is closely monitoring. The first official statement of Mr. Johnson came during his weekly Prime Minister's questions in the House of Commons on Wednesday. Responding to Conservative Party MP Flick Drummond on the implications for British interests of a dispute between a Commonwealth member and the world's largest democracy on the one side, and a state that challenges our notion of democracy on the other, he described the escalation in eastern Ladakh as a very serious and worrying situation, which the UK is monitoring closely. "Perhaps the best thing I can say is that we are encouraging both parties to engage in dialogue on the issues on the border and sort it out between them," the Prime Minister said. In a statement in New Delhi on Wednesday, the Ministry of External Affairs said India and China have agreed that expeditious implementation of the previously agreed understanding on disengagement of troops from standoff points in eastern Ladakh would help ensure peace and tranquility in the border areas. During the diplomatic talks between India and China, the situation in the region was discussed in detail, and the Indian side conveyed its concerns over the violent face-off in Galwan Valley on June 15. 20 Indian Army personnel were killed in the clash. News Desk.